In this video, I will show you how to group elements in Canva. So the first step is to simply add elements to your Canva design, of course. So this can be photos, stickers, text, it doesn't matter, you can add whatever you like. So I'm gonna add some, let's go and add some stickers. So what you're gonna have to do is simply click to add them to your design. So I'm gonna add multiple stickers for this tutorial, and then what you're gonna have to do in order to group these elements is simply select all of them, just like this. Then you're gonna have to right click and then simply click on group, and basically that's it. Now we can move these all of them at once, we can resize them, and if you want to ungroup them, simply select them and then click on ungroup, and basically that's it. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.